Franklin Field says the great dividing line between success and failure can be expressed in only five words. I did not find time. Now, we all go through this various phases of our life, wherever curve, whatever curve you are in your life and in your careers. Let me share something very important. A lot of us know that we are not supposed to save time, waste time. We are supposed to save time and use it to achieve our goals and use it to the best of our ability. We just falter because of primarily two things. One is either we are not knowing of what do we need to do throughout the day, and the second thing is we are not interested or not bothered in spite of knowing, or know it all syndrome कि पता तो सब कुछ है लेकिन हम execute नहीं कर पा रहे हैं. So 3-4 things I would like to share with you on this. And in our fashion business, it is extremely important because we have so many parameters and we have so many things to do, so many operational things to do in terms of the designing, the purchase of your fabrics and all. Maybe post designing, you go to the master, discuss the designs, talk to them, sales करना है आपको, marketing activities करनी है आप लोगों को, and the task list can be really massive throughout the day. Now, how do you set up your day? How do you make sure that you are using the time to the best of the abilities? And how do you have a decide, or how do you have a clear-cut objective of what you need to do throughout the day? I'm going to discuss with you in this particular video. So the number one thing that you need to understand is you need to stay focused throughout the day on only one thing. What objective are you going to achieve today? If you are very clear about that कि आज के दिन मुझे क्या करना है और क्या अचीव करना है, half the battle is won here, because you will not be doing anything else in which you are not going to achieve the objective that you have set up for yourself and in your business and in your complete that day का task list, right? Second thing that you need to do, post you know that ये मुझे objective achieve करना है, the next logical thing for you to do is to make a task list. इसकी ये सारी चीज़ें मुझे अचीव करनी है, सैम्पलिंग करना है या प्रोडक्शन में मुझे ध्यान देना है या मास्टर्स के साथ मुझे सीजन प्लानिंग, मर्चेंडाइज प्लानिंग करनी है, मुझे सेल्स के कुछ टारगेट्स अचीव करने हैं. सो ये सारे ऑब्जेक्टिव जो आपके उस दिन के हैं, ये सारे ऑब्जेक्टिव्स आपके टास्क लिस्ट में होने चाहिए. Once you have set up your task list properly, now will be the time. The third thing that you need to do is how are you going to define or how are you going to prioritize your task list कि पहले मुझे क्या करना है, उसके बाद सेकंड क्या करना है, थर्ड क्या करना है. So how do you decide that? Anything that moves you towards your goals the fastest. उस दिन का ऑब्जेक्टिव अचीव करने के लिए आपको क्या चीज़ें करनी है जो आपको तुरंत ही आपके गोल्स की तरफ लेकर जाएगा, वो चीज़ आपको पहले करनी है. समझ लीजिए उस दिन का सेल्स का फोकस आपका है एंड सेल्स के गोल्स आपने बनाया कि आज मुझे 50,000 रुपये का सेल्स का प्लान करना है या वर्किंग करनी है. देन यू हैव टू डू टास्क विच आर रिलेटेड टू योर सेल्स थिंग. मे बी सैम्पलिंग द सीजन इज अप्रोचिंग एंड यू नीड टू फिनिश योर सेल, यू हैव अ डेडलाइन और सैम्पलिंग फिनिश करना है. उस दिन का टास्क लिस्ट आपका हो जाना चाहिए. दैट 60 to 70% ऑफ द टाइम थ्रू आउट द डे यू विल बी यूटिलाइजिंग टू अचीव द गोल्स ऑफ योर सैम्पलिंग. मे बी टीम मीटिंग्स करनी है, उनके साथ टीम के साथ बात करनी है, कुछ टास्क उनको देने हैं, उनका भी फोकस और एरिया और काम ऐसे ही होना चाहिए दैट यू आर गोइंग टू यूटिलाइज एवरी वंस टाइम so that your organization is reaching your goals. Now imagine one thing, every single day you are having these objectives to be achieved, having this task list to be achieved, priorities लेकर काम कर रहे हैं, and everyone in your organization, the complete team of your organization is able to achieve what you have decided for yourself for 6 months, 1 year, 2 years, 3 years. You become unstoppable, guys. This is a structure to design your day. It requires a lot of hard work, it will require a lot of discipline, it will require a lot of effort from your end. This is a mindset game. This is going to be a lot about how you are dealing with your thoughts, how you are dealing with interruptions that come your way. Minimize your interruptions. How you are dealing with procrastination, the biggest enemy of time management. आज नहीं कल करेंगे, शाम को करता हूँ, मंडे करूँगा, नेक्स्ट मंथ करेंगे, 15 दिन बाद करेंगे, ये मास्टर मिलेगा तब करेंगे, ये अच्छी सेल्स टीम बनेगी तो आई विल बी वेरी एग्रेसिव इन सेल्स, आई विल पुट एनी मनी इन मार्केटिंग only when this particular thing happens to my business and only when I achieve these goals. So many excuses we give ourselves, so that we are never able to achieve our goals. Stop being in the comfort zone. Very important for all of you to understand. Come out of your comfort zone. Decide very clear-cut objectives and tasks that you need to perform in your fashion business. Try to achieve those objectives through a very structured task list. Once you have a task list, set up priorities for yourself, minimize your interruptions, and the number one thing that you all need to do is to start taking action on the task list that you make every single day. Believe me, if you are doing this for 6 months, you become a different person completely. Very important for every one of us to understand this. Time management, the biggest enemy for all of us in our industry, in the fashion businesses. I did not find time. 5 words that separates success and failure. I hope this video helps. Share it with industry participants who are facing similar problems. We'll be very happy to share more videos on this. My name is Vishal Trivedi and I'm a garment business professional. I have been consulting, coaching and mentoring apparel and lifestyle business entrepreneurs since more than a decade now. I've authored a book by the name Carve Your Success. That's India's only book written for the apparel and lifestyle business entrepreneurs. We run an inner circle meet here in Mumbai at my office. It's an offline workshop that we carry out. Under our program, Share the Knowledge, Spread the Light, have a goal to educate more than 5,000 fashion business entrepreneurs in the next 3 years time frame. Looking forward to sharing knowledge, spreading light.